Racing just started. We have Tala sa umaga. First to show quickness at the start. Aloha, Kiss Me, Gabelis, Chanzan Dior. Storm in the middle portion and oppose while Don Vito is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. We have Tala sa umaga by about 2 lengths. Aloha in second. Kiss Me is racing in third. Running by Daryl. Fourth comes Govelis. Chanzam Dior and opposes Storm while Don Vito is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Tala sa umaga. Aloha is on the outside. Kiss Me is racing in third, and as they swing for home, Tala sa umaga. Aloha moving up now on the outside to take the lead. It's now Aloha followed by Tala sa umaga. Kiss Me is racing in third. Last 50 meters we have Aloha, and finally it's Aloha, Tala sa umaga, Kiss Me, Don Vito, unopposed, Chanzan Dior, Storm, and Gobilis.
47863.
Right. It was